in as much as we respect the judiciary, the judges of the high courts who assist of this matter will not get swayed by this rushed decision by this corrupt regime of William Ruto. But also ask the question, a matter as momentous as the sale of 6 billion shares, publicly held shares by the government, where was or is the competition authority? What are they doing? We need to hear them. We need to hear their voice on a matter as serious as this. And one, as has been said, and it has been explained, buyer, Vodacom, buyer beware. There are other international mechanisms of settling disputes relating to investments in transnational or international investment disputes. And therefore, this is not a matter that anybody, including William Ruto, should take lightly. I thank you.